Take number 1. We're going to test this out. See how well I do. Making a zucchini bread. Okay. Alright. This back portion here is going to go to making what I call zucchini steaks. Like my favorite thing. Oh, of course not. Alright, let's check, see what's going on.
When you do, please do me a favor and snap and mark it. Tag me on Instagram or Facebook so I can see all the clean and deliciousness you're whipping up in your very own kitchens. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Danny Speed.
Okay.
Back here next time for some more clean and deliciousness.
Okay. There we go. So, don't like to bake during the middle of the day because, well, it gets too hot. So, my little shred up the zucchini. And yes, the skin is still on at the moment. I like to do pass normally. Let's take some of the skin, a little bit of the skin off, like this. Oh, at least I make that. Okay. Yeah. And of course, my goats love the skin. Oops, sorry. I'm always dropping stuff. They say, oh, I do that all the time. No, I drop a lot of stuff a lot of times. Okay, here we go. I don't have to hide the zucchini, so I like the color. The color's really nice. I know you're supposed to do it the other way. You gotta do what you gotta do and how you gotta do it. However you gotta do it, right? Oops. Believe me, I don't think I'm technically, my sister said I'm not allowed to have sharp objects. So, anyway, so we're going to do this. Yeah, I kind of miss my food processor. But this is handy dandy. Especially if you're like, oh, got seeds down there. Awesome. Those straight up. Need about a cup, 1/4. There we go. See that? Actually, that may be all I need. See that? Yeah, I live in a cabin and I have a little bit of space. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, that's plenty. Got a cup. That. Actually, I'm gonna use this one for right now. My goats are going to be living tomorrow morning. Right over there. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay. So there's that. Save those seeds for later. Plant some more zucchini. Need my measuring cups. Okay. Good job, kitty. There we go. 1, 2 eggs. One. And 2. All right. Where's my teaspoon? That's my tablespoon. Need my teaspoon. Need my teaspoon. Okay. Gonna need half teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and don't knock things off the counter with your elbow. Then you need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, see, I like a particular spice, and that's what I use. I use a teaspoon of cinnamon, and if you don't have the Chinese spice, which I absolutely love, 'cause it's got a little bit of the anise in it, which I like, that licorice flavor. You can just use 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. There you go. All right. So 1 teaspoon of the Chinese 5-spice blend. Okay. It does have a little bit of cinnamon in it, but it also has all it has in is anise, cinnamon, star anise, cloves, ginger, and there you go. So I guess you could use an allspice if you like, just to kind of change it up a little bit. There's those spices right there. Okay. My flour. Oh my gosh, a little bit of flour. Let's move this out of the way. Oh, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now, I would be making zucchini bread, but in the move down here, my bread pans did not make it down here. Surprise, surprise. So, I'm actually going to be making zucchini muffins. Yay! Made them just like zucchini muffins, right? So you need 1.5 cups flour. I did not have my knife ready. No, Autumn, no bark. And then I kind of eyeball that 1/2 cup. Yeah, you get kind of good at that. Okay. 1/2 cup oil. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. Alright. Guess I should get my... Don't have my mixer either. That didn't make it out. My hand mixer, I've got my hand mixer, so I can use that. Kind of miss my other one, but back in the old days, they didn't even have that. So set that up real quick. All right, flour on the way. Yes, this is all the counter I have. So when I'm making something, it can get a little bit crowded. All right, so and you need 1 cup sugar. Go ahead. Just incorporate that a little bit. And the eggs. Now, a lot of times I also like to add apples. I like to shred my apples up just like that. I mean, if you want texture, you can add nuts. Nuts are good. There we go. And we're going to add. Not a bit, just a 1 batch. It's not a big batch. Making bread and stuff. But I pretend like I'm one, right? And there it goes. Look at that. Looks really dry, but there's that flour. That'll be okay. About a minute. Flour on that. So now basically I'm just gonna, I know I've got, it's kind of hard when you're really limited on space. This. There we go. Yep, there's my oven. And yeah, I'm using a silicone. So technically I really don't need to spray it too much, but I do be on the safe side. Make sure it comes out. So, yeah, I'm just gonna use a spoon. It's gonna work. Okay. Spoon it in. Maybe someday I'll replace my bread. I had one of those Pampered Chef ones. Oh my gosh, I loved it. and make homemade bread. You leave them kittens alone. There we go. Oh, I grabbed a fork. One fork. One spoon. There we go. Yeah. The oven really heats up the cabin, so I don't like to do it during the day when the window air is working so hard trying to keep it cool in here, or somewhat cool. So, but actually, the reason why I'm doing this is my neighbors. I gave them a small loaf last time I made some, and they're like, "Oh, can you make some more, please?" So. And that's pretty much my recipe. I did not put vanilla in there because I did not have vanilla, and I was going to put almond in there. Oh my gosh. Well, that's one thing I forgot. That's an oops. I'll let you guys know. Yep, I do. Alright. So, that's one thing I forgot, y'all, was the 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I usually, I lowered that, forgot to put it back up. I usually use almond extract because I love almonds, but 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Don't forget it. I'm sure it'll be okay. I'll let y'all know. Post the recipe below. Blessings to y'all. Have a good evening.